Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, good morning, good morning. I'm at the park right now. Everybody come over here come smoke. I that me notice, you know. I see people park up in them car bun spliff. I'm there at the park right now. The same park where me and Delhi shoot the video them the other day. I go skate now. Somebody take my parking spot. Oh no, they didn't. Yeah, they did. One old man. I drive go around here so. Today, I go skate. This week kind of fuck up for me, you know. I lie to you, you know. Sorry for the big bad word in the morning. Whenever I watch it, morning, noon, or night. You wear that bipolar, it did a rain. I come out here, I have to run, go back home, and I come back out here again. Why? I never done workout, as you can see me a pre-sweat. I never have my shorts. I chew off my shoes them did I drink tea early this morning. That's how I see cup. You know? I start wake up early in the morning, you know? So I have to work out at morning time. I have a body goal when I go for no more. You see it? So I don't want to talk to them say, body goal, what you talk about Trabass? I have a look me I go for, you see it, as an entertainer. Feel like you have to fit and sexy. You see it? I see someone I go crazy over the beard. I need to trim. I'm going to trim today. Don't worry about that. I'm going to trim. I need a trim, so I go trim today. You see it? I go back, go skate, and then I chat back to you. Hold on. So yeah, vlog girl, we're out here. And we're skating as I said before. I don't know what I have planned today. I have some editing to do. Music wise and song wise, vlog wise and thing. So yeah. I say I go skate today, as I said before already. I want to try to make it different. I got to tell you one story. You see it, one story. That story, you don't judge me from that story. I was young and dumb. The time I almost lose my penis. By the title of that video, I know that's why someone watch it. This shit funny to me, looking back on it. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll be talking about my life experience. Yeah. Fuck up in a life and all of them something. Let me talk about it on my live more while late night. So do subscribe to that. You see it? You must subscribe. Follow me. So yeah. This story take place in a Fletcher's land. I'm a Fletcher's landian. How say that said? I come from Fletcher's land. That's where I was raised most of my time. Me and my mother and father and my brothers. You know, some of us. I got 4 brothers. We don't have to go into details. Me and one of them really close because me and him grew up and have the same mother and father. Yeah, we don't get to know me, you know. Alright, me did young. And me did have one little girlfriend at the time. She had died now, but I'm a G still. Said we. When she did just move from country, she was my girlfriend. No, we did young, as I said again before, probably 10, 11. She was my girlfriend. Cause you know, me upon the lane, my people them did have it, so-called have it. And new girl come upon the lane, so you don't know. Me I got try to get it, you see me? So boom, one brown into, you know. So she name, I can't call her name. Cause me and her, I'm a G, you see it? So when she did come link me and now, the brown in where me supposed to deal with, we come from country. Me and her sister them cool, you see me? Sorry if I tell the story and I breathe hard. But as you see I'm working out, you see? But me and her sister them they cool, so them already set a link for me with her, you see it? Me and her are cool. The first time I meet that girl, yeah, me and her end up fight. She come over me yard. We look at each other in our face and then push each other off. You know, we did young and stupid. Fist fight. Like when I say me have throw fist off her, she have throw back fist off of me. And I want country girl, she tough. Remember me telling you say she a dyke now, you know. She fully man out now, you know. So at the time, me and her did fight. And then after we fight, we did cool. I go over for them yard. In Alien, everybody love me. You see me? In Alien, everybody love me. I used to sell ice cream. My mother used to sell cake and them thing there. So it was a vibe. Me have little perk to make people like me in my community, you know? So boom. More while the girl will come link me, me give her ice cream because I used to sell ice cream. So boom. After me and her fight now, I go over the yard and I hold a vibe. When we do hold a vibe, me and her start. Choops. Not even kiss. Choops. Like, you see it? That was getting me aroused as a kid. Sex drive high. So, them time that we never had have sex yet, but with a hook and them thing there. You see it? Feel up and them thing there. So, I look like that go on. And then, I said, boom, no, I go bed because she did show me in a mud when me and her had a fight. She win the fight. Me make she win the fight. Ooh, I nearly drop. Me make she win the fight. You see me? So, while me go bed now, me in the bathroom I sit down. You know when you're a little pitney, you don't really like bed. You're tidy and them thing there. So I go home for tidy, you see me? Sit down on the toilet, too much info, but me da cut a shit, you see me? While I cut the shit now, I say, make me left the shower on and run, you see me? Because my mother did in her house. She feel like me a bed, because I'm in there long time. So, I just left the shower and run, and I cut a shit. Have my rag and soap up, and thing and say, I go tidy. No, that idea is kind of different. Growing up, my father teach me to bathe with Dettol and them little thing there. And he did do some little bathroom rearrangement and thing and cleaning. So he buy some little bathroom cleaning essential. Good morning. So I buy some bathroom cleaning essentials, you know, and throw them out in a buckle. Now, in one of them buckle when throw out some of the bathroom essentials in was a Dettol buckle. Now, when me did younger, I didn't pay attention to certain shit. Take up a buckle and throw some of the Dettol, will look like Dettol, it the white. But you know, when water touch the Dettol, it change. So I say a Dettol in a buckle. You know, say something named caustic soda. You can go Google it. Caustic soda or some shit like so it name. And that did in a buckle. And I chose some in a one cork. Like how I do with the Dettol if I beat the Dettol. I chose some in a one cork. And you know say, I freaking throw this something for my penis. Raw so. From out of cork for my penis. I say why I do that? I know one gonna ask me why I do that. Cause I fresh up that part there. Just in case I get some. I never have sex same time. I'm young. I just know about hooking and feeling up and them thing there. I make it work, you know? And make it smell my freshness. Now, it never go as planned. Because when I throw that something upon my penis. Yeah, you know, say, after I do that, I feel a little pinch. I say, yo, what that? I scream out loud. My mother come around and she say, Anjo, what am to you? But when my mother come around, she come around in a shock. She hear the scaredness in my voice when I ball out. Ah! You see me? So when she come around now, I run come out of the bathroom with my pants down at the ankle. Shit in my body. Penis out of swing. I burn up. When I stand up, so I look so me and up in the air like police say, stick it up. When my mother say my mother no go faint. Well, she almost faint. She like, like she da go drop down. You see me? But she drop down still. I don't know. I want them fake faint and my mother do like, wish she could have showed me a scared. But she do one of them little fake faint, they drop. My auntie faint, run, come on. What happened? When my auntie see me, my auntie say, Jesus Christ. Then time they smoke, me I say I come between my leg, you know. Smoke from between my leg I come up. Me like, rascal, me burn off my penis. Me say me a ball. Me have me hand up in the air and say, help me. Me auntie lift me up, fling me upon my mother and father bed because that's closer to your bathroom. And me dey on the bed skin out like a big me dey on the bed skin out a ball. My mother revive. She run go out the road. Why God? Jesus! When she go do that now, everybody from in alien come see my penis now. Now it look like the grand opening of my penis. You know when somebody dead and everybody in the area run go look on the body, might have something feel. I don't lie. Story I fuck up, but I lie. I gotta tell it. Someone will probably find it funny. I find it funny now. But story not done. After my auntie fling me upon the bed, and my mother run go out the road with all like commotion and thing. Yeah, you know, say everybody come in now and look one. Oh my God, what him do? You see people come look at all them mouth, you know, disgust and all of them shit there. Me like, yo, this don't look good for me, you know. You know? Me there till somebody with a bright idea say, call the taxi and bring him to the hospital. You know how long me there? He come like me there as a freak show to everybody. I first somebody said somebody do something like that. So it kind of fascinated to everybody at the time. Shit, me I go on, man. 9 minutes. Alright, let me make the story the short. Quick. Alright, so boom. After that, taxi Desmond. Taxi, if you live in a Fletcher's Land, you know Desmond. Him sick now. But if you know Desmond in a Fletcher's Land, you know the taxi man there. The dog carry me to the hospital. We don't only one. Him and my mother and my auntie, we don't only one towel around my waist. Me the hospital fee. Me now go lie about 6 hours before the doctor them come look for me, you know. Then time my body a burn off, you know. Me say, Jesus Christ. It now go make it. You see me? Then time when I look for me, you know when I catch on a little plastic of fire, and you see it melt, I saw my penis look. It did get worse, but it did cool down, cause I know like me I ignite the fire, you know? So it did get worse, but it did kind of cool down them, and he give me some salt water for drink. Some shit, something will taste like salt water for drink. When we wake up, only thing I remember me dey on one bed, skin out again. My penis band wrap up, cause then they do surgery on it. Then they do surgery on it. But it still work. I never feel no way. Cause watch all they do is stitch up somewhere and bring it round, you know? But it still work, you see me? It don't look deformed or not like that, it still work. So, I go over my time with that story, so I cut it short. But, moral of the story, don't put on your penis so you don't know about. You see me? If you like thugs them out there, you want to make sure you beard. Bearding is essential to getting girls. Cause someone don't dare me, I don't ask me about tips to get woman. I don't know, girl, listen, I'm tired to tell you now. Someone don't ask me for girl like me have girl put on. God help you know.
So vlogger, no, so I'm just awake. And at night now. You see from the skating there and all of that. Just go sleep, yeah man. Cause rain start fall. Well to the rain out. So I just go sleep and just wake up back. Yeah. Make sure you stay tuned. Our next vlog I drop tomorrow. Be I do something turn up tomorrow for now. Stay tuned, me have a new song I drop. I wanna go see it in the end of the vlog, yeah. And stream my music then. More vlogs coming soon. This is what day 3, day 4 of our the mad thing.
Private, yes, pussy not the way.